Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm gonna show how to cut one picture. You can see the picture is here. It cut it many parts. So how to do it? Let's check. First of all, I'm going to make one layer here and then here. Just lost here. And then now I'm going to use here rectangular mark tool to just draw here, for example like this. Then I fill up with color using paint buff tool. I choose color here, like this. Maybe this color is okay. Okay, I choose this color here. Now I'm going to use blending option. I use here stock and then drop shadow. Okay, you can see and then I make this copy the same layer and make copies 6 times. 6 times. You see, now I separate it here, 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 and then here. This way I do it. Now again I just copy this background 7 times. Okay, copy here, you can see 7 times. Now I take this background to maybe here. I put it. Next one is here, here. Here is already. Here. Last one. The last one is here. So we now I'm using clipping marks. Clipping marks. You can see one, and then the next one. Same way I do. Next one. Same way I do. Using all this background with clipping marks. Here, another one, and then here, clipping marks. So, to check which place is stay. Some place maybe stay something. Here one clipping marks. You can see. So that's all. You can see. So we're using here clipping marks to clip with this layer. Okay. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.